Ven, Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. Padre, 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 Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. That's my new song. Out of the darkness, out of the darkness. Ven, Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. Padre, Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. Padre, Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. Padre, Padre mío, ven y quítame esta oscuridad. Hey everybody, that's my new song, Out of the Darkness. And I dedicate this song to all those that are finding that light and getting out of that darkness. And those who are in the darkness, welcome to the light. I have been in the pandemic for like the last 2-3 years. I think that we're still in it a little bit. And music, I talk about music heals the soul, and it healed me. And we in the pandemic, we had no idea what was going on. So this is where this song, writing it, inspired me to journal my process and seeing the light and coming through. And here I am. Music heals the soul, and I'm singing to y'all. And I want to thank you, my fans, my supporter of Barbara Campbell Music. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I really appreciate coming here and putting together our series. This is Barbara Campbell Television, and this is Be Live on Air, our series, and this is the BC Original Rehearsal. So you get a chance to see it first. My creations, new songs, new music. You get a chance to hear it first. And I do encourage you all to head over to my website and be a member and sign up your email so you can be part of my email list. So I don't send out emails, but when I do, you'll be the first to get any news that I'm putting out. So I just want to say thank you. Here we are in the light. All these lights, and we're out of the darkness. And we look forward to seeing you at the next BC Original Rehearsal. And I look forward to coming to your town and singing and performing live. But till then, be patient, bear with me. Let's enjoy this digital concert put together by Barbara Campbell Television, coming to you right here from Brooklyn, Crown Heights, New York. And I'm Barbara Campbell, independent digital music artist creator. And via the pandemic, that's my story. I learned how to play and sing and write music. And here I am. I had no idea I was going to be up in here singing. So everybody, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for being part of the BC Original Rehearsal. And I'll see you at the next episode. of Barbara Campbell Television. Head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Look for us under Barbara Campbell Television, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye, everybody. Our song is going to be available for pre-order, so start now and get the song and play it and share with your friends and family. All right, till then, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn, everybody. You count, you matter. Stay green.